Is Jungle Skipper a good place to eat for lunch for a quick bite? Let's find out. Come along with us. Right next to Sunshine Tree Terrace, the home of Orange Bird, is Jungle Skipper Canteen, and we were actually able to get a reservation here to eat. And that's very rare to get a walk-up reservation for this restaurant, so we're excited. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. Michelle and I actually, at random, were able to get a walk-up to Jungle Skipper Canteen, one of our favorite restaurants, for lunch. And so we're gonna go in and see how we do. All right, let's see how this restaurant is for a quick bite to eat. Set as if it's the place where all the jungle skippers get to relax after they're done with the jungle cruise. Thank you. We are actually excited that we were able to get a walk-up. This is not usual thing that we can do. Michelle and I have been seated in our favorite room, because it's actually really quiet in here. It's the Society for Explorers and Adventures, or the SEA room. And this room is always really cool looking. The decor is awesome, and it's quieter because of the carpeting and the lower ceiling. So, nice and calm in here. Right, Michelle? One of the things I really like about this menu, and I'll put up a nice shot of the menu for you, is that it's actually filled with puns or references to the Jungle Cruise, like the Dr. Falls signature grilled steak, you know, because Dr. Albert Falls is the one who discovered Schweitzer Falls. And, you know, tastes like chicken because it is. Hearty har char, which is like hearty har har, yeah, I love it. So it's got like nice little puns on it. And the other thing is important is that this is a sit down, so you can get cocktails and beer and wine as well. Here's the first positive of the day. As you know, I'm a tea snob, and this is actually brewed iced tea. And I got lime to go with it because I actually like the way lime tastes in tea, so I go with lime in my tea instead of lemon. And yeah, this is a brewed unsweetened iced tea, and they actually brew it here. It's not from the machine, which makes me so happy. Our ability to have alcohol in Magic Kingdom has arrived, or as our skipper called it, the booze cruise. This is the Congaloosh Ale. Congaloosh Ale is a nice spiced brown ale that I absolutely really enjoy, and don't get it, and it's exclusive to Disney World, so I can only get it when I'm down here. And Michelle got the white sangria. So the two of us are going to be not happy to be able to enjoy these beverages once we have some food, to be honest. All right, here we go.
Jiffy cornbread that's really squished.
Yeah.
With some shredded pork.
Can't say cheers when you're drinking that one.
Juice.
Oh,
Some chimichurri.
yeah, I like the spice on the end. It's really good. We did have to give in and get our favorite appetizer here. That appetizer is the Brazilian cheese bread, and it comes with a cream cheese chimichurri sauce on the side. This is technically a secret menu item. It's not really all that secret. They kind of tell you about it now, but this is 100% worth the few extra calories you get from it. It's so good. Came out piping hot. Got a little bit of both, the cream cheese and the chimichurri on there. Oh, this is good to remember. Has a good bite to it, good chew, and then the cheese is nice and sharp, which is the best part about this. Yeah, I 100% recommend getting this. If you're going to get an appetizer to share, this is a great one to do. Get the cheese bread. While we're waiting for our food, I want to point out that this is an unusual occurrence. I did not make this reservation. I walked up to Jungle Skipper and said, hey, is there a seating availability for two? And they were like, 10 minutes. And I was like, what? That doesn't happen here. You don't get walk up here. This restaurant is extremely popular, and I was just shooting my shot, and that was the result. So I was able to get us a table. We're sitting in the SEA room, which is even better than the main mess hall. And well, the main mess hall's fun though, because the main mess hall has like gags that happen during the meal. It's more for the families out there, and it's a lot quieter in here. But I can't tell you how hard getting walk-up seating is to this. So we're really lucky today, but it doesn't hurt to ask. Just be nice if you don't get. Just be nice if you get told no. Michelle got the curried vegetable crew stew, a favorite of the crew stew crew, especially stew, seasonal vegetables, and pineapple tofu in a house-made curry sauce served with coconut rice. And I got Nile Nellie's noodle bowl, which is Niles and Niles of rice noodles, sautéed shrimp. I also had them add tofu to add a little bit more protein in it, tossed with a spicy tamarind sauce, pickled radish, eggs, and toasted peanuts and fresh cut herbs. Both of these look tasty and perfect for lunch.
Since I am in the bathroom alone, I just want to show you this really cool sink.
So I'm pretty sure this is the first time we've eaten here that I ordered something other than tastes like chicken, because it is. And I wasn't disappointed. This is really good. I don't know. The pineapple tofu, something very different, but really tasty. And the coconut rice is really, really good. The vegetable stew, it all went together really well. I ordered the white sangria. It's also very good. The menu said that it was made in-house, which is why I ordered it. It seems like most places on Disney property serve it right out of the box, which is fine. I'm not that fancy, but at Disney prices, I prefer like house mixed, which this is. It's very good. It's light. It's refreshing, fruity.
So for my dish, the Niles Nelly's noodles, which is, it's going for Niles and Niles and Niles. I will say that the spicy tamarind sauce in the noodles is so good. I do miss the peanut Thai sauce they used to do in the old noodle dish, but that spicy tamarind sauce really has a great flavor to it. And I had them add the pineapple tofu to mine as well, and it went really well with the dish with that little bit of sweetness in the tofu combined with the shrimp. And I already had my server take the bowl away because I did not want to eat all those noodles. I'm actually trying to be good with my intake. As soon as I got through the last piece of shrimp, I said, hey, I need you to take these. And by the way, that shrimp was cooked with a really good snap, and the flavoring on the outside of it was perfect. And they do not have the tails on. They do look like they do. They do not, for those of you who might be worried about that kind of thing. But that dish was excellent. And it's nice to be able to wash it down with a little kungaloosh. Especially here in the Society for Explorers Adventures room. Jungle Skipper, we got lucky. We got to eat there. The food, Michelle, I think, agrees with me. She's nodding her head. Yep, for sure. The food was excellent. It was a great way to have lunch. It was nice to be able to have an adult beverage in Magic Kingdom, because you can only do it in sit-down restaurants. Yeah, that was a great, quick lunch. And it was nice that we were able to get that. Now, remember, those walk-ups are very rare, but a reservation there, we recommend it for lunch. Very good, light place to eat lunch. I'm not all too full, and I made sure to not overeat. That was also me, but yeah, you should do Jungle Skipper. Hey, if you like this quick review on Jungle Skipper and why you should do it for lunch, just do us a favor. Have you ever eaten there? Comment down below. Give us a thumbs up if you like the video. Hit the bell icon for more of my dining reviews, because I do a lot of them. And like we always say, we don't like to say goodbye because we're going to see you real soon. So we say, see you bye. And it tastes like chicken because it is.